In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom forms in Wix Studio, whether you're setting up a form to collect customer inquiries, gather subscriber information, or simply enhance user interaction on your website. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Wix Studio offers a convenient and user-friendly platform for designing and personalizing forms that fits seamlessly into your site. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional custom form ready to go live on your website. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Wix Studio website. Once the home page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a prompt for you to log into your Wix account. If you have a Google account, you can select Continue with Google for a quicker login process. Alternatively, you can enter your Wix credentials if you already have an account set up. Once you've successfully logged in, wait for the system to redirect you to the Wix editor. Now that we're in the editor, look for the plus icon on the interface. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your website. Click on the plus icon to open the Elements menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but for this tutorial, scroll down until you find the category labeled Contact and Forms. Once you've located it, select it from the list. This section contains pre-built form options, but for our purpose, click on Create New Form. This will provide you with a blank canvas to work on, allowing you to fully customize the form to meet your needs. With your blank form template open, it's time to start adding fields. Let's begin by adding a first name field. Simply click on the desired field from the options, and it will appear on your form. Next, repeat the process to add a last name field, ensuring you have a dedicated space to collect both first and last name details. Following that, click to add an email field. This is critical for collecting contact information, so make sure it's included. Once you've added these fields, it's time to customize them. Click on each individual field to edit its details. Here you can rename the fields, adjust placeholder text, or even make certain fields mandatory if you want to ensure visitors fill them out. For example, if collecting email addresses is non-negotiable, you can set the email field to required. This step is all about tailoring the form to collect the information you need most. Now, let's talk design. A well-designed form not only functions well, but also blends seamlessly with your website's overall aesthetic. Use the editor's design tools to adjust the color scheme, fonts, and layout of the form. Be sure to match it with your website's theme to create a cohesive look. For example, if your website uses a minimalist design, keep your form clean and simple. If your theme is bold and colorful, you can add accents that reflect that style. Once you're happy with the form's content and design, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save button located in the editor's menu bar and click on it. This ensures that all your progress is secure and your custom form is ready for use. And there you have it. You've just created a custom form in Wix Studio. It's a straightforward process that allows you to add a professional touch to your website while making it easy for visitors to connect with you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.